Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. In today's video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp Web on your laptop or computer. WhatsApp Web is a feature that allows you to use WhatsApp on your computer. It is essentially a web-based extension of WhatsApp application. On your phone, with WhatsApp Web, you can send and receive messages, photos, videos, and documents from computer, making it convenient to stay connected even when you are working on desktop or laptop. Using WhatsApp Web offers several benefits like convenience, multitasking, keyboard typing, access to media, integration, notifications, and accessibility. Let's go. Step 1. To get started, open WhatsApp web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. Now you will see a QR code on the screen. Keep this page open as we will need it in a moment. Step 2. On your phone, go to Settings, select Linked Devices from menu. Step 3. Scan code from your phone. You will be logged into WhatsApp Web on your computer or laptop. Step 4. Now that you are logged in, you can see all chats on the left side of the screen. Click on any chat to open. You can easily send messages, emojis, attachments, just like you would on your phone. Now I will show you how to log out from WhatsApp Web. Step 1. Tap on 3 dots. Step 2. Tap on Log Out option. WhatsApp will confirm that you log out. If you want, then click on Log Out. And there you have it. Using WhatsApp Web is simple and convenient. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.